Welcome back to Overheat, the 2026 Subaru Motorhome's exterior. Robust yet aerodynamic design, Subaru's exterior will highlight its strong and utilitarian design, with subtle curves to improve aerodynamics, despite the motorhome's shape. Compact mid-size, enough room inside, but not so big that it's difficult to move. Large panoramic windows. The kitchen and living areas will have large windows placed carefully to maximize views of the outside. Pop-top roof optional for extra headroom and ventilation when parking. There may be a simple pop-top roof option available. Adaptive LED headlights. These headlights include integrated LED fog lights for inclement weather and improved evening illumination. A big touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, and integrated navigation are all components of the Subaru Starlink infotainment system inside. Driver and passenger swivel seats to create a portion of the living area. The front seats can be rotated 180 degrees while the vehicle is parked. Parking and maneuvering in tight spaces are made easier with a 360-degree camera. A long bench that can be easily converted into a queen-size bed or two single beds. There is hidden storage underneath the bench. Modular storage includes a portable induction stove, an efficient compressor refrigerator, a small sink with a foldable faucet, and intelligently designed drawers and small cupboards for food and kitchenware. Large capacity lithium-ion batteries to store enough energy for internal equipment to use, by allowing the battery to be charged while parked. A flexible rooftop solar panel increases independence. A power inverter converts DC power from batteries into AC power for household appliances when linked to external power. The shore power connection is used to power gadgets and replenish batteries. The built-in side awning can be used to shade an area outside the vehicle. The seats and exterior folding table are simple to take out and stow inside the compartment. The Advanced Tire Pressure Monitoring System (TPMS) includes spare tire pressure, small winches, an example of off-road safety equipment.